before installing this tool is like we have to Python 3.8 or later version in our host machine, and you can install this tool as per your convenience. Like you can install this tool on Mac OS, in Linux, in Windows Subsystem for Linux, and on Docker. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to use Windows Subsystem for Linux because it's a lightweight option. We not need to install any VirtualBox. So let's see how we can configure Windows Subsystem for Linux in our Windows host. Let me open the CMD. Okay, CMD command and run as administrator. Yes, and here you have to type a command WSL install. Okay, once you hit enter, it will install the WSL for you. It will take 5 to 10 minutes for you. In my system, it is already installed, so I'm not going to reinstall again. Okay, another thing, once you have installed the WSL, you have to restart your PC. And once your PC getting restarted, once your PC getting ready, then you can open Microsoft Store and go to the search option and search for Kali Linux or Linux. Okay, Linux. You have multiple options, so I am going to use Kali Linux. Once you click on it, it has already installed in my system, so there is an open option for me. But for you, once you click on that option, for you find here get. Okay, get option. Once you click, it will automatically install. It will automatically download and install in your PC. Okay, and once it downloaded, will open it. It will ask you on the first time. It will ask you to create a username and password. Okay, for me it is already set up, and my username is root. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do, once you like start this terminal, you have to always remember you have to do a update, apt-get update command. And another thing that we need to have a check is Python is already installed or not. Okay, so I have run here apt-get install Python 3 command, and it will already install in my. We have to install apt install Python pip 3. Okay, Python pip. Once pip is installed, to install in the SemGrep, we have to follow the step as given on the SemGrep quick start guidelines. Okay, so we are using WSL. So in WSL there is a simple command Python 3 -m pip install SemGrep. So you can use this command by copying and just simply paste here. I have already installed this one. You can see here 3 -m pip install SemGrep. Okay, and it will take hardly 5 to 6 minutes to install the SemGrep. After installing the SemGrep, please check the version by using SemGrep -version command. After checking the version, if you confirm the SemGrep is being installed in your system, the next step is to log in the SemGrep. It will generate a token that will help you to integrate your CLI. Integrate this CLI, and it will upload your result, not your code. So by using SemGrep login command, let's copy it and paste here. Okay, it will give you a link. By using this link, you have to log in with your SemGrep. Okay, please paste this link into the browser, and so once you paste this link, you have two options. First option is sign in with GitHub, and second option is sign in with GitLab. Okay, and one other option is using SSO. So I'm going to use the option with GitHub. I have already my GitHub account. My GitHub account is already signed in, so it will automatically sign in by using my GitHub account. Yeah, it is already signed in, and after sign in, it will ask from us so whether we want to connect with our CLI or not. Okay, so I'm going to activate this one. Once I activate, you can see here. Okay, login is successfully, and our login token is saved on this location. Our CLI means our client machine, whatever our code is placed here. So we have to always run this command on the client machine, okay, whether we want to do a scan. Once we have login successfully on our client machine, then we need a code, and our today video aim is to scan this code repository, OWASP JuiceSoft code repository. So we are going to we are going to clone this code, this application code, and to run the SemGrep scan. Copy it and clone here. Git clone. As we can see, the cloning process is done. So now we have to go to this folder, JuiceSoft, okay, pwd, and this path is our root directory because all our code is placed here. Let's start the scanning. Okay, so for scanning the code by using the SemGrep, we have to type a command SemGrep CI. This command will use automatic default rule set to scan the code. Okay, hit enter. It will doing initial scan. You can see here also SemGrep version is 1.75.0 and Python version is 3.11.9. Okay, and it is running in the Git environment. And once you trigger the scan here, you can also see the progress on the dashboard. Okay, on the SemGrep dashboard. So let's see what is the progress of the scan. So to see the progress of the scan, you need to go into the project. Okay, on the project there is a scan are in the progress and the name is JuiceSoft. Wait to finish the scan. Our scan is getting completed and the total file is 1131 files are there. Okay, so and the progress is 99% completed. Okay, so there are some findings are also listed here. You can see a scan summary. Okay, some files were skipped or only partially analyzed because it is not traced by the Git. See what the scan result and what will the finding on the dashboard. And after refreshing, we have 88 code finding. Okay, so let's click on that one, and we have 88 open finding. So let's filter first high find. So we have multiple results. So we have some NoSQL injection, we have some SQL injection, code vulnerability, we have some like express SQLite injection, we have some also there is some generic secret is also exposed in the code. So let's analyze any of the one. Okay, so let's analyze this one, Trent SQL string. Okay, so let's open this one, dbscheme.challenge, and let's see what is the issue. Okay, so the issue is also listed here. Detect user input used to manually construct a user SQL string. This is usually bad practice because manual construction could be accidentally result in SQL injection. Okay, so let's say is there any dynamic query, or is there any query where user input get inserted directly into the query without any validation, without using any prepared statement. So okay, let's analyze the code. So here is the code where the SQL query is select start from product, where name like criteria or description like criteria. Okay, so you can see here the criteria parameter is directly concatenating to the dynamic query. So it is not recommended. Always use prepared statement or parameters query while using the SQL queries. Let's analyze this one, login.routes.login. It is a login page. It is a login page of the application, and in the login page, once user use their like username as a email and password as a user password. Here is a problem is it is using a dynamic SQL query, select start from user where email equals to email, and this email fetch from the request body, and password is also fetched from the request body password. So once the user will insert any malicious input, any SQL query, it will break the query and exploit the SQL injection. Let's analyze another code. There is some secrets also stored in the plain text in the application source code. So you can see here email ID, whroot, okay, wurst root, and password is also stored in the This top secret is also here, key, role, all the users that are present in this application. In fact, admin user roles is also available here. Okay, so our admin user email and password is also stored. This is a not compliance. This is a insecure way to store the password in the application source code. In the 1 minute, let's see how the dashboard is look like of this tool. We have something around 24 high severity finding, but open finding is 169. Okay, and here is the some project. If you want to see the project, you can check here. You can also add your policy. You can also add your rule. Okay, so to add your rule, you can click here, policy, in the policy. After that, add rule. Okay, there is a multiple rules are there, which is means paid rules, but there is some rules are there are to see security audit. To add this rule, just click on this rule and add to the policy on the monitor mode. That's all for the now, and we will come with the next video for the individual findings, and this will help you analyze the application code in real project also. And in the next video, we will take a real project, a real application source code to scan and to analyze the code.